Are home prices in Queens going up?
Because right now we're seeing something very interesting. Home prices are actually rising.
But fewer homes are actually selling.
And if you own a property in Queens, especially multifamily, this is something you need to understand.
Let's start with the big picture. In the first quarter of 2026, home prices in Queens increased by about 6.5%.
But at the same time, closed sales dropped by about 4.6%.
So what does that mean? Fewer transactions, but stronger values.
And inventory is up nearly 10%, which means buyers have more options today.
That's why we're shifting into a strategy market.
Now, let's talk about single-family homes. Sales dropped about 6.6%.
But prices increased to about $879,000. So even with less activity, values are still going up. So now looking at condos, sales were slightly down.
But prices increased to about $617,500.
In co-ops, sales dropped about 4%.
However, prices increased to about $335,000, which makes co-ops one of the most affordable entry points in Queens.
Interest rates have stabilized,
Buyers are more selective and fewer homes are selling over asking price.
which means today, strategy matters more than ever.
Now let's move on to multifamily homes, 2 to 4 family property.
This is where things get very interesting. When we compare quarter one of 2026 to quarter one of 2025,
Closed sales actually increased from 253 properties to 260 properties.
and that tells us one thing: demand is still strong, especially from investors and buyers looking for rental income.
Now let's talk about pricing. The median price increased from about 1.1 million to about 1.170,
So even in the shifting market, multifamily values are still going up.
and sellers are still getting very close to their asking price, about 97.7% from last year.
Compared to about 97% this year. So negotiation power is still strong.
And homes are selling faster. Days on the market dropped from 54 days to about 52 days.
And that's a strong signal that multifamily properties are still in high demand.
So what does this mean to you? If you're thinking about selling, this is still a great opportunity.
But pricing and strategy are everything right now.
That's right. And if you are a buyer or an investor, opportunities are starting to open up.
By the way, if this is your first time here,
I'm Alejandra.
and I'm Elias with Empire Fine Homes.
We are your local real estate brokers right here in Queens.
So if you're thinking about buying, selling, or investing, reach out to us.
We'll help you understand exactly what's happening in your neighborhood.
And how to position yourself to win in today's market.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.
And for more updates on the Queens real estate market,